Today we're going to look at Shark Smile by Big Thief, and this one uses a couple of interesting chord shapes. So first of all, we're going to put our capo on the 2nd fret. Make sure all strings sound out nice. And this introduces a C/G chord. So because we're only going to be playing for the verse to get a very bassy kind of sound, we're going to be just playing the top 3 strings. So for this, we're going to play a CG, which is like an E shape, but move the whole thing up so that the 2nd finger starts on the E string on the 3rd fret relative to the capo. So 1st, 2nd, 3rd. So that's our first chord. Then the next one we're going to learn is D/A, which is the same shape, just slid up onto the 5th, as I said, relative to the capo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our normal G we would play as the top half of the G chord here. D/F sharp, we're just going to play with one finger. E minor. There's an alternative E minor shape here, which we're going to play up on the 5th and the 7th, again relative to capo. So for this one, we're going to put our 1st finger on the D string, our 3rd finger on the D string 5th fret, our 3rd finger on the E string 7th fret, and our little finger underneath him on the A string 7th fret. That's the most difficult shape in the song, I believe, and if you're stressed out about it, you can just play an E minor, which isn't strictly correct, but it's not terrible sounding either. So let's take a look at the verse. So the verse, we've got a G chord, and then we're going to switch to that C/G, which is a fairly easy change. Slide up then to the 5th for a bar, then come back down to the G shape, and we're just going to do 2 beats of G, 2 beats of D/F sharp, finish out on E minor. Then we're going to play that new E minor shape here, E minor/B, and we're going to come down to the D/A and then to the C/G. So that should go like this. The intro adds a few bars of C/G at the front, and we're going to hammer them on to get that kind of distinctive sound. That was the intro and the verse. And for the chorus, we're going to, because it's just us on an acoustic guitar, we're going to open it up a little bit. So we're going to play full of chords. So for the chorus is G, D/F sharp, A minor, and then the full version is C/G. I'm going to play that twice. Try it again. Chorus. G. That goes into a little solo, which you play a verse for. End of this verse, it's not quite a middle eight or bridge, but the song does change slightly, where we have a moment where we go from the C G back up to the D A, and we do that again. But the important thing about this is at the end of the verse we've got the only 2-beat bar in the song. So as we finish the third verse, so I'm going to play that from the line, the G. Even without my errors, I hope that somewhat demystified the song for you.